Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Fidelity for Brokerage. To begin the registration process with Fidelity, open your web browser. Type in the Fidelity website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the option that says Open an Account. Click on the Open an Account button. You will then be presented with several account types. Select Brokerage account or Cash Management account, depending on your needs. After selecting, click on the Get Started button. You will need to provide some basic personal information. Fill in your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Next, enter your employment information, including your employer's name and address. You may also need to provide your annual income and net worth. Once completed, click Continue to move on to the next section. Fidelity will ask you about your investment experience. Be honest about your knowledge and experience levels. Next, you will choose your account preferences. This includes selecting account features and any investment options that interest you. Review the terms and conditions presented to you. Make sure to read through everything carefully. After reviewing, check the box to agree to the terms. Then, click Continue to proceed. Now, you'll need to create your account login credentials. Choose a strong password and memorably security questions. Make sure your password meets the criteria laid out on the screen. Once your credentials are set, click Continue. Fidelity may require additional verification steps. Be prepared to verify your identity through email or phone. Follow the prompts provided to complete this verification. After verifying your identity, you'll be directed to your new account dashboard. Finally, you may want to link a bank account. This allows you to fund your Fidelity account for trading and management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.